This is Claire and my beautiful friend Amy, who's a local yoga instructor here in Edmonton, and her beautiful little girl Stevie. So Amy, thanks so much for coming. I wanted to talk a little bit today about nursing and some stretches that moms can incorporate when they're nursing. I know that we have a lot of tightness in the shoulders start to roll forward. We get a lot of tightness through the neck when we bring the chin down to kind of watch babies, either nursing or bottle-fed babies. So whether you are a nursing mom or a bottle feeding mom, the stretches are sort of still the same. They need to be because the aggravation and the tightness is still the same. So what we're going to first start with today, or at least in this particular video, is using like a tune-up ball or just any kind of ball that has a little bit of a give. So the most important thing is to please make sure that the ball isn't extremely hard. So we don't want to use a tennis ball because that has a tendency to create a lot of tension in the muscle, and also we have the tendency to kind of create a lot of pain in the body. So moms are really sore in the area. Amy is a breastfeeding mom, so there's going to be a lot of tightness in the front of the chest. So what I want you to do is just hold on to the tune-up. Yeah, and you're going to start to draw your left ear to your left shoulder. And just start to kind of roll the tune-up in and around sort of the front of the chest and shoulder. I know, it feels so good. And so you have the availability to apply as much pressure or as little pressure as you choose or want to in this position. And what we're always looking for. So we're looking for, of course, there's milk ducts in the front of the chest. And we have the tendency, if you're dealing with anything like mastitis, or if you have sort of tightness in the pectorals, which are here, there's an insertion point here. This is a nice gentle movement that you can help, especially maybe after you nursed, if you're dealing with sort of blocked ducts. This is a wonderful thing to do. As she brings her ear to the shoulder, she's also creating a stretch down the sort of the back of the neck, the brachial muscles, the scalenes, and then working a little bit of a trap stretch as well. So this is a really great movement for moms, pretty simple, that you can do, as you can see, when babies are resting. Amy did just finish nursing, and then I want you to switch sides. So you can draw ear to shoulder, and then we're holding into the palm of the hand the tune-up, and then again it's just light circular movements in this position, and Amy's just going to apply as much or as little pressure as she chooses. And this is kind of a perfect example. Of course, we're always trying to juggle things every single day as moms, so holding one hand, with a soother I can also do that. Look, and of course it's a panda, adorable. And ear to shoulder. So then Amy's just kind of breathing and allowing the neck stretch to happen. Okay, so grabbing onto something that has a little bit of pliability to it is perfect if you can, mums, and enjoy this particular pec stretch, helping with mums who are especially nursing, but of course anyone who's feeding their babies. Thanks for watching.